In this video, we will show you how to reset the oil life monitor on this Acura MDX. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Overall, this is going to be very easy. Have your ignition in the on position without the vehicle running. The next thing we're going to do is start focusing at the gauge cluster in the center of your dash there. We need to go ahead and use the steering wheel to scroll through the settings located in the center of the gauge cluster. What we're looking for is an oil life. We'll just use the up or down buttons here. We'll make our way to where we have to be. Okay, right at the bottom there, I can see oil life. It looks like ours is at 90%. I've done the oil change. I want to reset that to 100%. Continuing from here, if you were to look just above that button, you're going to find a reset button. For this, we're going to hold it down, and you want to continue until you see it start to blink, and it should pop up something asking you if you want to confirm doing this or not. Now at this point, you can see it says oil life reset, and it wants to make sure we do want to do this. Of course we do. We're going to scroll up, and now let's tap that button to select this. As you can see, it reads 100% oil life. At this point, you can go ahead and start up your vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.